In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to open or create a Gmail account. So to start with, all you need is to come to your browser, anywhere within your browser, and just type in Google, and you're brought into this very platform. You can go straight to Gmail, where it will take you to Gmail platform where you can sign up. But the easiest one is you can come to Google and you can come to the Google Workspace applications over here, and you can see Gmail. So it's the same way. You can click and you can see google.com/Gmail, or you can go to gmail.google.com and it will still bring you over here. Now, the first thing you need to do is, if you have an account, you can go ahead and sign in. If you don't have, you can go ahead and create one. You can do that in both places, from here or from here. You can click on this drop down and you can be able to see what kind of account you're trying to create. Is it for personal use or for work related or business related? So you can just go ahead. Let's say for this tutorial, we're going to create one for personal use. So we can just click on for personal use. And then this is to just bring you over to this platform. This is where you specify your name. My name is Abdul Rashid, and then you put a last name which is optional. Let's say Saeed, and then you can just go ahead and click on next, and then you specify your basic information like the date of birth 03 here and 1983, for example. And you can specify your gender here, and then you can click on next. So over here, you're going to choose from the suggested email addresses. This is being suggested from the names that you provided: Abdurrashid Saeed 20 at gmail.com, and that's Saeed Abdurrashid 4 at this. Or if you don't want the created ones, you can just come over here and you can specify your own. Let's say Rashid 05, for example, at gmail.com. And when you click on next, if this is available, it will prompt you. If it is not, it will prompt you that this is taken. You can try another one. So let's say 2024. Let's see Rashid 2024 if it's not been taken. So let's say AS Rashid 24. Okay, so let's say I try this AS Rashid 24 and let's click on this. You can see this one is not been taken. So you specify your password. You can just go ahead and provide the password that you want. You can retype it to confirm. All right, so you can just go ahead and click on next, and it's going to take you to the next level. Now, this is for recovery. If you want to add in recovery email, you can just add in any optional email that in case of any problem, you can always refer to that email. I used to skip this, but for security reasons, it's good to add it. Okay, so this is, you can review your account. This is your name, and this is the email address that you can provide it. You can see the platform is quite different. So over here, you can just read on the privacy and terms, and then you can come down here. Once you are okay with what you see, you come over here and say agree, and it's just going to move you to your fresh account. All right, so congratulations, you've created a very, very simple professional email. This is your platform. You can see all of the things you need to see over here. This is the inbox, start messages, the snooze, the sent, the draft, and many more. When you click here, you'll be able to see them. And then this is your email address, asrashid24 at gmail.com. So this is your inbox, this is your primary, and so on. So this concludes this tutorial on how to create a Gmail account for free, even without using phone number. In the next video, we're going to learn how to compose, send in email, and receive email also from other people that send to you. So until next time, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.